Today we are going to see new topic of reproduction in plant, that is called as pollination. Pollination is a prerequisite for reproduction in higher plants. Now what is pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from dehisced anther to receptive stigma. Now what is the meaning of dehisced anther? Dehisced anther means ruptured anther which get broken down to release the pollen grain. This pollen grain settled on the stigma of flower. The stigma should be receptive. What is the meaning of receptive stigma? Let us see. On maturity, the stigma releases sucrose solution for nourishment of pollen grain. So it is called as receptive because it is sticky also to receive the pollen grain. So the transfer of pollen grains from dehisced anther to receptive stigma of a flower or different flower is called as pollination. Now we will see types of pollination. There are basically two types of pollination. One is called as self-pollination, other is called as cross-pollination. Self-pollination are further divided into two categories. Self-pollination occurs only within the same plant, maybe within the same flower or different flower born on the same plant. And cross-pollination involves two different plants. The two plants may belong to the same species or they may belong to the different species. One by one we will see what is an autogamy, geitonogamy, xenogamy and hybridization. Autogamy and geitonogamy are the types of self-pollination. In autogamy, pollination occurs within the same flower. That is, transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower takes place. While in geitonogamy, pollination occurs between the two different flowers born on the same plant body. Now we will see cross-pollination. Cross-pollination is further divided into two categories, xenogamy and hybridization. Xenogamy. If pollination occurs between the two plants, between the flowers born on the two plant, different plants and both plants belonging to the same species, then it is called as xenogamy. यहाँ पे प्लांट डिफरेंट होते हैं बट स्पीशीज सेम होती है, दोनों एक ही प्रजाति को बिलोंग करते हैं. दो अलग अलग प्लांट हो सकते हैं, दोनों काफ़ी डिस्टेंटली प्रेजेंट रह सकते हैं बट दोनों भी एक ही स्पीशीज़ को बिलोंग करना चाहिए. देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज xenogamy. Now we will see what is hybridization. Hybridization is a process in which pollination occurs between the two plants such that both plants belonging to different species, दोनों की प्रजातियां ही अलग अलग होती है, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं hybridization. बट यहाँ पे एक important point that we have to consider is both plant, though they are belonging to the different species, they must belong to the same genera or genus. यहाँ जाति सेम होना चाहिए, प्रजातियाँ अलग रही तो चलता है. It is called as interspecific hybridization. So these are the four different types of pollination. In next class we will see what are the advantages and disadvantages of self and cross pollination to the plant. Thank you.